Hey, it's Sam. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering if affiliate marketing can generate you passive income. Well, stick around because that's exactly what I want to talk about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So first and foremost, you need to know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is just a business model, and depending on what strategy you use and how you do it, then affiliate marketing can become a passive income business for you, or a bleeding one. Well, depends on, and it all depends on your strategies and how you implement them, right? So with that out of the way, let me tell you that there is a way to do affiliate marketing and can generate you passive income. And how do you do that? You do that by giving value to people. Now, with the strategies that I use, it generates passive income. And not only that, the reason how it generates passive income is by automation with tools that are available online. And you implement and you integrate those tools within your business structure. The way I do affiliate marketing is an actual business. It's not just sending a simple affiliate link and advertising that link, because that's one way to quickly get you banned. Things have changed from the past, and that's one of the things that has changed, because Google, Bing, Yahoo, they all want to stop spam, and most of the people that try to make a quick buck with affiliate marketing back then spam. So with this strategy that I use, that's automated, you are actually building a business that gives information to other people. I'm not selling my own product, but I am building my own business by creating a whole ecosystem that allows people to learn within my ecosystem, right? And in time, when they want to learn even more and how to solve their problems, right, they will start buying the products and offers that I give them. And how I generate income from that is by providing affiliate links to the programs that I offer, right? Simple as that. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can click the link in the description down below, and you'll get a free 4-day training video series where you get to learn all about the strategy and how it can be done and how you can do it, because this strategy is not for everyone. If you're lazy, if you don't want to put in the work, then it's not for you. But if you want to learn how to get out of that phase, you need to build your mindset. You need to be hard-headed for these things, right? You need to be stubborn. You need to turn your negatives into a positive. I am stubborn, and if I can't get something to work, I'll make sure it'll work no matter how long it takes. So that's one of the negative personalities that is a benefit, right? That I'm turning my negative into a positive because I'm persistent. With this strategy, with this business model in general, you need to know the 3 C's, and you can check out the link here to learn about the 3 C's. The 3 C's are commitment, consistency, and the confidence. And if you can build all 3 of those, then this program is for you, right? You can definitely learn the strategy and implement everything step by step, right? So with that in mind, you can automate your affiliate marketing business. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is by now, it's just simply you taking someone else's product, marketing it, and trying to get sales. And for each sale you make, if each sale you get a commission off of that. That means time and effort is not wasted on building a product, right? That also means customer service is not your problem if you don't like dealing with people, right? That also means you could travel, you can work from home, you can spend more time with your family or doing your own things while building out your own system, right? So the thing is, once you build out this whole ecosystem of yours, branding yourself, either using your own name or a company that you want to create with affiliate marketing, then you're able to generate passive income or residual income while you sleep. Because everything is automated online, the tools you're using, the ecosystem you're building, you'll be able to get your target audience's email them, send them valuable things, send them valuable information, learning how to do things depending on your niche, and simply making sales over time. So you also have to know that this isn't a get rich quick scheme. You can't just build your whole ecosystem overnight, right? It's gonna take months. It's a medium to long-term strategy when you're doing affiliate marketing this way, but it also maximizes profits because you're not just simply selling a product to people, right? You're not just sending your traffic, which is eyeballs of your audience, to just a sales page. And because you're building a relationship with your audience, then they are able to know, like, and trust you, right? And if they know, like, and trust you, then they're probably gonna spend more money on whatever you promote. So this strategy works with multiple products, not just one. And once you learn the strategy, you can build multiple businesses in different categories and niches and have multiple sources, multiple streams of income, right? That's how you do affiliate marketing, that by building one company, building another company, and building another company, making sure that every single company that you're building has income. So I hope this video will shed some light on whether or not affiliate marketing can bring you passive income or not. And if you found this enjoyable and valuable, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn how to build your own affiliate marketing business online, generating this passive income, be sure to click the link down below because you'll get a free 4-day training video series learning about affiliate marketing the right way and learning how to implement these strategies into your own affiliate marketing business if you never learned it before, right? Because 95% of the people that do affiliate marketing fail. They can't seem to bring a profit because it's the way that they do it. The gurus and a lot of courses nowadays, they don't teach you these things because teaching you these things takes time and it's not easy. They took the short route, just teaching you what makes sense to them, and unfortunately that doesn't really get you any money. That doesn't really help you in a valuable way. So be sure to check that out. Get that 4-day free video training series, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.